We've just acquired, it's absolutely stunning looking, Mercedes E-Class diesel. It's the AMG Sport line. Absolutely fantastic, gleaming black condition. Unmarked, diamond cut, alloy wheels. Brand new tyres on the rear. It's got park distance control. Full AMG Sport body styling fitted, including rear diffuser and twin exhausts. Absolutely gleaming black. It's got an electric tailgate, all operates smoothly. It's got the original AMG carpet mats, load cover there as well. Boot is in lovely condition. Inside the car, full leather interior. Again, look at those alloys in immaculate condition. Like I say, brand new tyres on the back. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. Electric windows, electric mirrors, power fold mirrors. It's got satellite navigation. Some 89,959 miles. It's got heated seats, climate control, cup holders, USB, Bluetooth, phone preparation, satellite navigation, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox if you want to do it that way, automatic headlights, the car drives and looks fantastic. At DJH for full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.